Yo. Hey.
Hey man.
So, you know this piece of shit? Oh, look at this guy.
Oh, hey.
This piece of shit's about to get slammed to the ground.
Dumped, not slammed, dumped.
Oh, like that.
Dumped.
Dumped. But yeah, we got some true hearts in this bitch. Let me show you what's up.
See the product.
Watch me first, Dan.
Hey.
You should just all-wheel drive?
Yes.
Where's the bottom piece?
It's probably
Is the bottom piece is in there. It's like this little.
The OEM one?
We'll see. Yeah.
Nice.
We got the wheels off from the rear, so we're gonna do the rears first, and then the fronts. So under here, you're supposed to take out the strut first, and then there's a spring right here, and then you're supposed to take out the one last. Oh yeah, because I have the true coilovers. It's not the coilover like the shock and the springs. So this is gonna be deleted, and then right here, you enter or you like take out the strut like underneath, so you don't go in the trunk area. You go from right here, and there's gonna be two 12mm bolts right there, and take those out, and then we'll show you the next step.
What's next, Saheel?
So, oh, I think we need an 18 for this. Or do you have a 19 or 18 closure? All right, good. All right.
What are you using in there?
So now, let me see this. So we took out the strut for the top bolts, and you can see there's like a gap right here. So we're gonna take out this strut first. And once you do that, and then we're gonna take out this, and then there's gonna be a lot of pressure right here. So we'll see how this one goes. We'll record it while we take it out.
All right, what's going on here?
So, dude, his bolts are coming out hella fast. I'm surprised. And we're moving at tremendous speeds.
Coach, don't get blasted in the face right now.
Back up, dude.
Right now I'm just taking this out, and then you gotta pry this, and then
Here.
the spring should come out.
It's gonna be on offer up. Hit me up if you guys need some stock suspension.
All right, what's the update?
Come hold this.
What do we got?
Well, is it going?
I think Saheel might have stripped the bolt.
Yeah, stripped, huh?
You stripped? Bad?
Damn fool.
Damn, fool.
Yeah, credit card payment Saheel now, huh?
Dude.
Bro, hit him up for the side shows. You know he be putting down the tire. How do you feel about this?
Excited, dude. Excited.
What? This side's gonna be lower. Watch.
Watch.
Coaching, man. You're jackass. Your fucking ass probably did some jackassery, dude.
Jackassery.
Another new word. Another new word.
Urban Dictionary.
Word of the day.
Word of the day, jackassery. Can you define
Look
that?
it up.
Can you define that? What does that mean?
Fucking kosher, dude.
Origin and source.
That's my picture.
All right, we'll see when the car's lowered in the back. See how dumped he is.
I think we should just lower the back.
Like in? Bro, the wood is like half off. Who cares, man? Who cares, man? All right. Oh shit. Are you going up, Kaushiv? All right.
Okay.
Drop it.
Slowly.
Oh, you put it down over here before I put it.
Oh, no.
Oh!
Oh!
Holy shit! Dude, nice. Dude, you look.
Yeah, let's go.
Wait. Oh, perfect, dude. Hella fitment. It's not even touching at all.
Yeah. Okay, can you take it out slowly? Stuck on my exhaust.
It's stuck.
Really? Oh, dude.
The wood.
Full sending that shit.
You told me to full send it.
Dude, lift it up.
Oh yeah, cause the whole shit.
Yeah. So angle it a little bit this way.
Oh, dude.
I can't really move it.
It's gonna
Can you pull it out now?
Here, let me see. Watch out.
Dude, you yank that shit.
Just twist it around.
Yeah, like wiggle it back and forth.
Wiggle it back and forth. You're going lower. I think you're too low.
Oh, dude, your exhaust is like 1 inch off the
I
ground.
think you're too low.
We need more wood. Wait. Lift it up. Let's put wood.
No, keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. What are you doing to my car, man?
No. Oh my god. You have hella camber.
Wait, the wood is stuck. The wood's gone.
Holy.
Oh,
Dude,
I have no wheel.
dude, look at your camber. Oh no, it's because of wood.
Okay, but
Drive it off, drive it off, drive it off. Go forward, go forward. Forward, yeah.
This tire is fucked. Bro, keep going.
Go, go, go. Holy shit.
Dude, that's so
Dude, wait, stop. Put it in park, put it in park. Holy moly! It looks like your front of the car's lifted right now.
It's on a jack, dude. Don't worry.
No way, dude. This is dumped.
No, we need to raise it, dude. We need to raise it.
Hell no, dude. You gotta drive like this. Leave the back like that.
Keep this.
But the front you can't leave like that though.
No, he's not. He has to lift up a little bit. Because if he goes over a bump, it's fucked.
Bro,
Crazy.
we gotta go around the block at least once.
Yeah, I'm gonna go around the block once.
Alright, let's do the front.
Yeah, let's do the front.
What's going on? What's going on?
I'm cutting springs out here now.
Alright, so guys, what's basically happening, the coil is not coming out. The stock
This
one.
is not the time right now, dude.
We gotta tell them. We gotta tell them.
We gotta document
So the coil isn't coming
This is our
out.
lifestyle.
Exactly. So the coil isn't coming out, so we have to cut the springs. So keep it.
Hey, you have a fire extinguisher?
Huh?
There's no line.
It's
not
There's
gas.
oil and he's cutting the thing.
Do 2K, man. We'll get you a new car. We'll get you Q60 S Red Sport. So anyway, yeah, we have to cut it. It's not coming out, so we have to cut it. So we have to cut it. We'll update you guys in a little bit, okay?
Wait.
How'd you cancel that?
Explain.
Alright guys, so we got the new exhaust setup right here. It's the, we got the brake light shit. So, you guys want your cars loud for cheap? Let's get some cones, stick it in, bam, 6-inch exhaust pipe.
Oh, hey. We're pretty freaking loud. Oi. Hey, so let's do an update on what happened to your car, man. What happened?
I don't want to talk about it. Coach can talk about it.
Coach, let me give me a rundown. We got all these tools. We got all these pairs of gloves. All these tools.
Alright, so let me give you a rundown what's going on. This side worked out nice. Well, not nice. Somewhat nice. We got a strip bolt, strip lug nut, fixed it. The backs were perfect, alright? The backs took at least like
30 minutes
30
for
minutes,
both.
15 minutes each side, boom. Here we have a big problem. As you can see, there's a huge mess over here. So what's going on? So as you can see, first we already tried cutting this fucking coil off.
I need light, under light.
You have to, I'm gonna walk it out. Here we go. So you can see, we tried cutting it. I know a lot of people are probably gonna be like, what the fuck? Get some hate for it, but excuse me. But whatever, it didn't come out. So what's going on is the spring itself, like this little coil area, it's not releasing its pressure. So as much as we're pushing it up and pushing it down and doing everything, and nothing's coming out. So what we're gonna do, I really don't know what they're gonna do.
All right, we got Jason pulling up right here. What do you think about this situation?
Man, whole lot of hoopla action over here.
Whole lot of hoopla. Alright, let's go see what's going on with Saheel's freaking front end suspension over here. Try to zip ties, they don't work.
All-wheel drive problems.
Look how. I didn't even know. You got a cut spring, cut freaking strut, spring compressor,
Zip tie.
zip tie, you know.
Zip tie in action.
Positive camber. Freaking, his alignment's gonna be messed up after this. What else?
You know how hard we're gonna get flamed because of this shit that's going on?
Hey,
Man.
man, not our fault, man. All-wheel drives are fucking hard to work on.
What do you think, Saheel?
Wow.
Keep it or sell it?
I'm gonna keep it.
Alrighty, that's what I like to hear.
Geezer. What about you? You about to sell your own car?
Hey man, I'm not in this conversation.
I'm gonna sell my car too.
I'm not in this conversation.
So you can see, you know, this is how it's sitting. Jason over here, early morning. It's probably like 10 o'clock in the morning. So right now we have to work on adjusting the height because right now it is literally sitting on the fender. So that's really what we have to work on. There was a lot of shit that went down yesterday, especially with that fender or that side for the passenger. It was just completely like screwed up because apparently that side had like an accident and whatever. So yeah, we had to take out the whole like hub for the brake and whatever, and
The axle came out.
dude, yeah, the axle came out, everything came out. It was just a disaster. I think we finished everything at like 11:30, and then we just packed it up because it was really late. So right now we're gonna be just adjusting the height. We have to definitely raise up the car a lot.
Nah, man, we're
So I don't think you can drive it like this, dude. So because right now you can see it is, yeah, like a little bit of clearance.
Yeah, at least we're at the easy part right now.
Yeah, right now this is the easy part. Hopefully.
all the manual work.
All the manual work was done like last night. So what's the update? I don't know.
So we adjusted the coils. It took kind of long, but we got everything done. So right now we're just attaching the brake line and shit.
See, we maxed it out because it was way too low. You know.
Yeah, so if you get true hearts, they come really low already.
Yeah, they come really low. So let's make sure.
Nice. So we adjusted the fronts basically. The backs I think still need to be adjusted. We don't know. We haven't test drove it yet.
Yo, got this.
Slam boys. 3-wheel action. Let me get some 3-wheel action.
Were you here earlier when you did that? It was on. Oh, there you go. That's what it didn't do it. Oh.
Hey, you got welded diff, man? Hey. Here's the car.
It looks hella more even than last time. It looks good.
Wait.
Oh yeah, wait more.